हाय एवरीबॉडी। आज की एपिसोड की होस्ट मैं हूँ अफरोज शेख। आज हम जिस मेडिकल ब्रांच के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं वो है होम्योपैथी। उसके बारे में बहुत सारे मिसकंसेप्शंस हैं, मिथ हैं, लोगों के बहुत सारे सवाल हैं और हमारी अपनी क्लब मेंबर उसे सॉर्ट आउट करने वाली है हमारे साथ, हमारे लिए, डॉक्टर महरीन। हाय डॉक्टर मेहरीन।
हेलो।
फॉर स्टार्टर्स मुझे ये जानना है कि इतनी सारी मेडिकल ब्रांचेस हैं, व्हाई होम्योपैथी?
So homeopathy इसीलिए because I wanted something which doesn't harm the patient. There should not be any side effects to it. So one of my friend, her mother was suffering from chronic kidney diseases. So that's the reason she wanted to go for dialysis every week, which was very painful. So that is the reason I choose something which does not affect patient's health condition.
ओके, सो पीपल ऑफन से कि होम्योपैथी बहुत स्लो है, सो इज इट ट्रू एंड व्हाई सो इफ पीपल से दैट?
No, it's nothing like that. Homeopathy is not slow. The thing is, if you have a chronic diseases like asthma or arthritis, which takes time to heal, if you are having the disease since 10 years, so it will take some time. But if it is acute cases, then it will be healing within no time.
Okay. Often this term root cause is used by all the homeopathy doctors. Can
Yes.
you explain what it exactly means?
So root cause means basically why it is happening. It is like the meaning of it, root cause is why it's happening. So if you are having a headache, so why exactly you are having a headache? We wanted the root cause. If it is due to your sleep, due to your stress, so we want exact the cause of it. So to heal the disease.
बी ऑनेस्ट, क्या बहुत घूम घुमा के पेशेंट्स लास्ट में आपके पास आते हैं, ये डॉक्टर वो डॉक्टर, डॉक्टर नंबर 1 2, फिर लास्ट में डॉक्टर मेहरीन के पास जाते हैं?
Yeah, exactly. Because they think homeopathy is something, they keep it as a last option. First, they go to gynec, they go to orthopedics, whatever the problem is. Then they come to homeopathy. Then something magic should happen. Then they come to us.
ओके, व्हाट वाज द फनीएस्ट सेल्फ डायग्नोस्ट जो आपने सुना हो?
Okay, so that one of my patient, he was like, doctor, I have a headache. मुझे बहुत headache है. So is it I'm not able to sleep from 2 to 3 days. So is it something I'm having a tumor or something
Oh
like
जी,
a cancer because I'm not able to sleep and I have a lot of pain in it without any test or something. He just self-diagnoses that I have a tumor or I have a cancer.
बेसिकली गूगल बाबा यूज
Yes,
किया
yeah,
जाएगा।
yeah, yeah.
ओके ओके, सो माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आप जब रूट कॉज पूछते हैं तो बहुत सारे पर्सनल क्वेश्चंस पूछते होंगे, तो कभी कभी और बहुत सारी ऐसी इन्फो मिलती होगी, फनी इन्फो कुछ बताइए ना, इफ यू कैन शेयर विद अस।
So funny info is like uh, you wanted something personal, right?
काइंड ऑफ।
हाँ, so something it's like कि डॉक्टर मुझे बहुत ठंडी लगती है and I feel very zadzada. Some they use this language. I feel very zadzada type of. So that is very much funny for it.
ओके, सो वन हेल्थ हैबिट जो लोग ब्लाइंडली फॉलो करते हैं बट उसका कोई बेसिस नहीं है।
Health habit. Okay. So this is the, very nice question. Nowadays, people just follow the influencers.
ओके,
Like,
या
yeah. So if someone is telling that this drink is very good for your to flush out your toxins or something like that. So whether it is necessary for you or not, they just go blindly and follow the influencer and take that drinks for their liver, cleaning their liver or toxin or something like that.
डू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कम लाइक दैट कि मैंने वो डिटॉक्स ड्रिंक लिया था तो ऐसा हुआ,
Yes,
वो वैसा
yes,
हुआ,
obviously.
मतलब बेसिकली आजकल हर कोई फॉलो कर रहा
Follow
है।
कर रहा है, yeah. Blindly following the influencers.
फॉर समवन अ लेमैन लाइक मी हु डजंट अंडरस्टैंड होम्योपैथी, क्या आप साफ और सिंपल शब्दों में बता सकते हैं हाउ डज इट वर्क?
Okay, so homeopathy basically is a term. I'll tell you, it's similia similibus curenta, which means like, cure, like. For examples, I'll give you that we have a medicine called Allium cepa, which is used which is made from onions.
ओके,
You know, onions, when we cut it, we get watery
हाँ
eyes
हाँ
and
हाँ
nose.
बिल्कुल।
So when we have a watery and eyes and nose, so we give Allium cepa. cepa.
Okay.
As such, one more example I'll give you. It's Allium sativa, which is made from garlic.
Okay.
You know, garlic is used for cholesterol. It's very good for
I've heard.
So basically, when we are having a high cholesterol, it's one of the medicine is Allium sativa.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
explain.
So basically, are these plant derivatives?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It is made from herbs. It's made from many kind of roots. जो herbs होते हैं, from that it is made. It is potentized and made from that.
How does stress work in this? क्या उसका बहुत इफेक्ट होता है?
Stress.
हाँ, जो आप रूट कॉज पूछते हैं, आप दवाइयों का अपने अपने डायग्नोस करते हैं और आप खुद क्या फिर एंड ऑफ द डे आपको जब दवाई देनी होती है डायग्नोस के बाद, तो क्या आप ये भी पूछते हैं कि इज द पेशेंट गोइंग थ्रू सम काइंड ऑफ इमोशनल डिस्ट्रेस, स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी, क्या आप ये सब पूछते हैं और क्या ये इतना इफेक्ट होता है बॉडी के ऊपर?
Yes, obviously, because health is something which is mental and physical. Then it is equal to your health overall. If you are affecting mentally, then you will be affected physically and such. For example, if you're not able to sleep because of stress, which will affect you with a high BP and with later on with the cholesterol also, because you're not able, your sleep pattern is not proper, so your digestive system will also be not proper with it. So you won't be able to digest things properly. So indirectly, your health condition is linked to your overall health.
Okay. So another question which is very common और mostly हमारे viewers ladies हैं, हमारे members भी हैं जिम के, ये बहुत कॉमन इशू होता है लेडीज के अंदर, हार्मोनल इश्यूज, और उससे जो डिजीजेस होती है पीसीओएस, थायराइड्स, मूड स्विंग्स, इसको होम्योपैथी कैसे सपोर्ट करता है, या फिर मैं कहना चाहूँ इसके होम्योपैथी के अंदर इसका क्या सोल्यूशन है?
So yes, homeopathy plays a major role in the hormonal changes. So as such, if you go to many women first go to gynec, even gynec though prescribe homeopathy, they tell them, okay, take this medicines which is be helpful for your hormonal issues like that. So it is basically very effective in women for mood swings, for anxiety, for stress, and many other things, weight gain.
Can homeopathy medicine be given to pregnant women?
Yes, it is given. It is given.
Because मोस्टली एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन तो इतनी दी नहीं जाती, डॉक्टर जनरली सजेस्ट करते हैं कि आप सर दर्द की भी गोली अगर बहुत इशू है तो ही लीजिए।
Right.
ले सकते हो होम्योपैथी?
Yes, but under the supervision, under the doctor's supervision, you can take some of the
like any medicine under the doctor's
yes.
supervision. What are the most common issues जो लेडीज आपके पास आती हैं? क्या हेल्थ इश्यूज होते हैं मोस्टली सबको?
Mostly they come for PCOD, weight gain like obesity, and thyroid issues, and even hormonal imbalance.
Okay. वैसे लेडीज इन योर ओपिनियन ये सारे सिम्टम्स को क्यों इतना इग्नोर करते हैं और इतना लेट क्यों आती हैं?
So like women, they think that this is okay, this is normal, this is part of their life, because they are so much busy in doing like doing household things, their career and everything, so they feel this is normal. So that is the reason they keep thinking that ठीक है अभी ठीक हो जाएगा, now I'll be fine, now I'll be fine. So that is the reason they go for late treatments.
3 healthy habits जो आपकी मेडिसिन के अलावा यू थिंक जो वर्क करते हैं, जो हर औरत को फॉलो करनी चाहिए, व्हाट आर दोस 3 हेल्दी हैबिट्स?
3 healthy habits, I will say, that is sleeping on time, eating healthy food, and exercise.
वन सजेशन या वन एडवाइस जो आप हर औरत को देना चाहते हैं, जो ये देख रही है, जो ये सुन रही है, क्या होगी वो?
For women, I will say that you are getting your signals, like your health body is saying you something, they are giving you signals, so you should listen to it before it started, with a loud noise, before it started
So
screaming.
basically हमारी बॉडी हमें इंडिकेट कर रही है कुछ, हमें वो इंडिकेशन सुनने चाहिए।
You should follow the signals what my body is going through right now.
So Dr. Mary, thank you so much for these very important and deep answers. But अब हम थोड़ा rapid fire करते हैं।
Sure.
So one morning routine that you cannot go without, coffee या चाय?
I don't think either, but chai.
Most common thing patients say that make you smile?
डॉक्टर आपको देखकर ही सारी प्रॉब्लम ठीक हो
Oh,
जाती है।
no, that's so cute. One health habit everybody ignores but shouldn't.
One everybody ignores, that is exercise.
Okay. Chocolate or salad when stressed?
Obviously chocolates.
Biggest myth about homeopathy in one line.
That it is very slow, it doesn't and it is a placebo.
Okay. Placebo.
Yeah, placebo.
Okay, that I didn't know. Fast fix versus slow root healing. Which one would you secretly prefer?
Slow root healing.
Okay, slow root healing. Most interesting symptom you have heard. आप बताइए जब सेल्फ डायग्नोस से हुआ हो.
That I told you, the one patient, he told me that मुझे ट्यूमर है. With the Google, he followed that मुझे headache है तो मुझे ट्यूमर है.
Gym, Pilates or walking? Which one is your favorite?
My favorite is gym, but I will suggest if not, then people should go for at least walking.
Okay. How did you come to know about WOF, the club?
Okay, the thing is like postpartum, I have gained lot of weight. I was looking out for some kind of flexible workout. So I was looking out for some kind of yoga or Zumba or something like that. So there I founded this work club where I joined HIAT first.
Okay. How far has been your fitness journey been? How satisfied are you with it?
Alhamdulillah, I'm very much satisfied with this. Here we can get all the classes apart from workout, gymming. We get HIIT, Pilates, and yoga, Zumba. There is a lot of sessions over here. So overall, I feel that is a complete package for a woman, and it's something is there for every woman in every age, like every group. There is something for them.
Thank you so much talking to us, Dr. Marine. You were a fountain of information to me. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so much. Thank you.
उम्मीद है आपको सबको अपने अपने सवालों के जवाब मिल गए होंगे. आज की हमारी बातों ने हमें एक चीज़ रियलाइज़ करवाई है और वो ये कि दो मेडिकल ब्रांचेस एक साथ एग्जिस्ट कर सकती हैं. ये कि फिटनेस उतनी ही सबके लिए ज़रूरी है, सिर्फ ख़ास लोगों के लिए नहीं. हमें ये जान के पता चला डॉक्टर से कि पेशेंस, सब्र रूट कॉज को हल कर सकता है. हमें ये बता सकता है कि बॉडी ठीक हो सकती है. हमें अपनी बॉडी को सुनने की ज़रूरत है. उम्मीद है हम और भी ऐसे कई सवालों के साथ आपको मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में. सी यू ऑल टिल देन.